NPP kickstart its Jaintia Hills election campaign. NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma takes the lead. The nomination filing process picks pace in Meghalaya. Various leaders and candidates of political parties filed their nominations. Meghalaya BJP bats on former top cop M. Kharkrang for North Shillong seat over many aspirants for the ticket. And strengthen UDP to lead the next government, says UDP Chief Youth Advisor Eugene Lingdo at an election rally. The news in detail. The National People's Party kick-started its election campaign in West Jaintia Hills district. Led by NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, a massive rally was taken out from Yao Musiang Market to the venue of the election meeting. Along with Sangma, NPP National Vice President Preston Tinsong, spokesperson Amprin Lingdo, and all the 7 NPP candidates of East and West Jaintia Hills district took part in the meeting. Addressing the gathering, Sangma said that whatever decisions will be taken in the next 5 years will be based on the interest of the people first.
It is the people of the state who will give you the position. It is the people of the state who will help you to take things forward. And therefore, in every decision that you take, always keep the people first.
Cabinet Minister Dasakhet Bhalamari, former Home Minister HDR Lingdo and former legislator Mahendra Rapsang were among the candidates who filed their nominations for the ensuing assembly polls in the state on Friday. Both Lamare and Rapsang, who are contesting on an NPP ticket, filed their nomination from Nongkrem and West Shillong respectively. However, former Home Minister who is contesting from the UDP ticket filed his nomination from Sokyong constituency. The Congress candidates who filed their nominations include Nehru Suding from Pinursla, Danisan Kurba from Mauplang, former NGP leader Marbut Khar from Maulai and Gopal Stone from Mausanram. Former MLA Don Kapar Masar filed his nomination as an independent candidate from Pinursla constituency.
The moment I'm telling you now, this year election will be a very peaceful election. We have taken care of everything in consideration. This is the first constituency where the CCTV will be connected to sensitive area directly to the police station. So that issue of security, issue of it's being taken care of.
It is the voice of the people now. The voice of people. They are crying. They are wanting that the party of the regional entity should rule the state now. The love and affection that the people has once again returned back to them, and definitely I will win.
In Jaintia Hills, NPP candidate from Kaliat constituency, Netlang Lingdo, yesterday filed his nomination papers. He will be going up against sitting MLA and UDP candidate Kermen Chilla. Netlang had joined the NPP in March 2022 after winning 2 times. The Netlang quit politics but decided to fight the poll battle again. He was elected in 2003 and 2008, and despite being a sitting MLA, he did not contest in 2013. In Ribhoi, 8 candidates have filed their nominations. The 5 NPP candidates include sitting MLA of Jirang constituency, Sosthenes Sotun, Magdalene S. Maulong from Umsning, sitting MLA of Umsning, Jason Maulong, Shamphang Lingdo from Mauhati, and D. Lamare from Umroy constituency. Other parties include Primson Makdo, HSPDP candidate from Umsning, Donlang Soklet, PDF candidate from Umsning, and Adrian L. Khan, Milliam INC candidates from Jirang constituency. Putting all speculations over candidate selection for North Shillong constituency to rest, the BJP has reposed faith in former IPS officer Maria Home Kharkrang, who is preferred over Michael Carcentio for the seat. 2 ticket aspirants vied for the party ticket from North Shillong, and BJP spokesperson Kharkrang had the last laugh. Speaking to media persons here on Thursday, Kharkrang, who thanked the central leadership for keeping faith on him, vowed to fight till the end to justify his selection as the party candidate from North Shillong seat.
I will go with the agenda of the party as a whole. BJP for development. In fact, whatever our national leadership has been talking about, it is all about development. It is evident in all the BJP ruled states, and I'm definitely going to take advantage of that and showcase what it will be like if BJP rules this state.
NPP Vice President and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong claimed that TMC leader Mukul Sangma has plans to ditch the party and join the BJP along with his entire team post-elections. Recalling that the Chief Minister had hinted at it at an election rally in Adogri, Tinsong said, "I am going to repeat the same thing, that there is a move by Dr. Mukul to ditch the TMC along with his whole team and join the BJP after the elections." Tinsong asked people not to be misled by the divisive strategy of the opposition leader.
Kejing pat jonga kalong ba wat sania ya kejing lam Dr. Mukul nomor uni uyai arteli ka kijat ka we siliang ka ba komong opi anytime mola banjom shanu phimtip nomor utip syai kedar ba uru ladi unum yo bon kasit ula banjo ka tang saw santeli kasit te hang nu unsdin hang nu lek te ka don kejing ya penbet kejing ya keren joki bujara tinar ka daw opi ka allocation ka ba nakalian jong Mukul ong ba ka timbi ka NPP ka de timbi jong ka BJP ka de babakla rengang ong ka tim jong Dr. Mukul sama ngam om su TMC namarun sa join batki.
Mark Plang legislator and UDP Chief Youth Advisor Eugene Lingdo termed UDP as one of the best regional party in the state. Lingdo said this during an election campaign for UDP Nongstoin candidate Palestar Nongsiet at Madan Rilblay of Yap area. He made an appeal to the people to strengthen UDP by voting them to power. He reasoned that the UDP is a party that can be trusted to lead the next government as it's a party from the soil. Meanwhile, the UDP candidate from Nongstoin Nongsiet asked the public to support UDP this time, so that he could lead from the front to ease the problem that they are facing in all spheres.
Berhakata ka jingsen syar juga UDP ya ka jela ka jongi kala yo aru ya ka jingero na ka central government baka state ko piang tam ha ka jingsen syar ka di ka Meghalaya ha ka jingelam joka party UDP.
Another weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 19.5 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature was 8.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 42% while in evening was 67%. Forecast dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. NPP kickstarts its Jointa Hills election campaign. NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma takes the lead. The nomination filing process picks pace in Meghalaya. Various leaders and candidates of political parties files their nominations. Meghalaya BJP bats on former top cop M. Kharkrang for North Shillong seat over many aspirants for the ticket. And strengthen UDP to lead the next government, says UDP Chief Youth Advisor Eugene Lingdo at an election rally. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Good night.